So, in this video is ipapakita ko yung prelim laboratory exam, which is yung check system information. So, yung una kong ginawa is pumunta ako sa terminal. Ayan. Tapos yung una is run the following command to display basic system information. So, i-type natin is uname-a. Next is lscpu, which is run this command to view detailed CPU information. So, ito yung CPU information. Next is view memory information. Type free space.h. Next step is analyze this usage. So, check the disk usage of the file system. Type df space.h. Next is analyze this space usage for each directory in the current path. Type du space dash h space dash max depth equal to. So, ayan siya. So, yung last is list the top 5 largest in the var directory. So, type sudo find var type f x.
Oh.
So, yung password natin. So, ito yung 5 least largest files in the var directory. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun lang.